What's up, guys? Today we are going to be reviewing this dirt bike right here. Alright, stay tuned, watch the video. Oh, I don't really know what this dirt bike is called, but I know it's like a mini bike, pit bike, whatever you want to call it. Alright, has no shocks, goes about like 34, I think. It has like this. I think this is on backwards. Comment down below if that's on backwards, because I'm pretty sure it's on backwards. It is a pull start, and you gotta like hold down this. You gotta like put this down. Right. Start it, and the gas, and then right here is the start and choke and stuff. And it goes, it goes like 30 miles. But so yeah, we're gonna be reviewing it today, and yeah. So now we gotta clean this thing because, as you can see, it is pretty dirty, low-key. So, because we've been riding all week. So we're gonna clean it, and you guys will see that. Already looking better. You can finally see what that says, sort of. I don't want to get too close, so I don't know it's gonna get wet right now. But yes, now it is washed off and looks a lot cleaner than it was before, so we can actually see the model name, maybe. Let's see here. So you can check that out if you guys want to. That's the model. That's the model name, and so now Maka's gonna, my bro's gonna wipe it down and dry it, because it's when I ride in it, completely soaking wet. But I'm gonna get a few shots of us riding it. So yeah. Guys, out of 10, I probably would give it like probably an 8, because it goes pretty fast. It does everything you would need, and I think we bought it off like Walmart for like $500. So remember, God loves you. Peace out, and sorry for the short video, but God loves you. Bye.